I hope you all are doing great and having an amazing time. As you can already read the title, like today's video is going to be a pamper routine where I'll be doing my hair oiling, shaving my face, doing my nails and everything. But before we get into it, I really want to say thank you so much for all the love you have been showing on my videos, especially that shower routine video. I mean, that's the only video I'm getting all the love. My makeup videos, on the other hand, are not doing so well. So I just want to request you to guys to show some love to my makeup videos too. Because I'm totally a makeup enthusiast and I genuinely love creating makeup content. And this channel is going to be all about makeup, skincare, self-care, hauls, vlogs, basically everything. And if you guys keep supporting me like this, I definitely give my 100% to this channel. Sending lots of love your way. So the very first thing I always do is detangle my hair before oiling. This helps prevents breakage and I always use a wooden comb for that. Then I apply oil to my hair. Currently I am using the Soulflower rosemary oil. It's a really good oil with a thick consistency. The only downside is the strong smell, which sometimes give me a mild headache, but otherwise it's a great hair oil. After applying the oil, I massage my scalp and honestly, as useless as this tip might seem to some, it's actually so important. The massage feels incredibly relaxing and it also helps in reducing hair fall. I usually keep the oil overnight and the next morning I start with scalp exfoliation and the rest of my routine. Right now I'm exfoliating my scalp using glycolic acid. I have heard a lot about it and this is my second time using it. And yes, it really does work like magic. Lately, I have been paying a lot of attention to my hair care, so I also bought a hair mask and leave-in conditioner to try out. The hair mask is from Parachute and since it's my first time using it, I can't say much yet, but after using it 3-4 times, I will definitely review it. Now coming to shaving my face, sometimes I go for a dry shave, but I prefer using a gel, cream or aloe vera gel. It helps the razor glide better and gives a smoother shave. For masking, I am applying this clay mask from Dot & Key. It's a D10 mask and yes, it actually works. I leave it on for 5 to 6 minutes and then head to the shower. I am back from my shower. I did not shoot anything, just followed my usual routine. If you have not watched my shower routine video, make sure to check it out. And if you want more content related to that, do let me know. For my face wash, I am currently using the one from Foxtale. It's super hydrating and also works really well as a makeup remover. So it's like a 2-in-1 product. Honestly, it's so good that I am definitely going to repurchase it. Then I exfoliate my face with a glycolic acid toner, but within just a few seconds, I started feeling a tingling sensation. So I removed the pad quickly. After that, I cleansed my face thoroughly and whatever product was left on the pad, I applied it to my ears, neck, nails, cuticles and knuckles. I don't like wasting even a tiny bit of product. Since I exfoliated, I'm skipping serums and going straight to moisturizer. I'm using the Lakme Hydra Booster Moisturizer. It's so hydrating and honestly, gel moisturizers have always been my favorite. After that, I apply sunscreen. I never skip sunscreen and especially not after exfoliating. It's an absolute must. Then I apply a lip mask from Dot & Key and that's it. My hair is now half dry, so I am going to apply a mix of leave-in conditioner and serum all over my lengths and ends. I will leave my hair to air dry, no blow dry today. And yep, that's it.